Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to show sale discount percentage in Shopify. Some of the main benefits of displaying percentage discount include increased customer attraction, competitive edge, improved customer satisfaction, and clearing older stock. Here the step-by-step instruction on how to show discount percentage on your products. On your Shopify admin, tap on products, then select the product you want to apply the discount to. Scroll down to pricing, and in the price field, enter the discounted price that you want to charge for the product. In the compare at price field, enter the product's original price before the discount. Shopify will automatically calculate and display the percentage difference between the two prices as a discount badge on your product page. Then, don't forget to click the Save button to update the product listing. Although Shopify offers this built-in feature to display product discounts, it's often not an ideal solution. Doing it manually with each product is a real hassle and leaves room for potential missteps. Luckily, there are apps that can automate and streamline the process for you, like Ignition's Order to Discount app. This app lets you create and apply discounts to your products in bulk with just a few clicks. You can also schedule your discount in advance so you don't have to worry about missing my sales opportunities. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.